There's a little flame in the child of God. Some shine bright and some shine small. The rains will come and the waters rise, but don't you ever lose your light. In this life you will know love and pain, joy and sorrow. So when it hurts and when times get hard, don't forget whose child you are. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, gonna let it shine.
May you live each day with no regret. Make the most of every chance you get. Let your eyes get wide when you look at the stars with the same sense of wonder as a child's heart. The ones you love, treasure time, and for those who are gone, keep their memories alive. Hold on to your dreams, don't ever let go. There's a fire inside you burning with hope.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine, gonna let it shine. Don't forget, don't forget.
One day there will be no more pain, and we will finally see Jesus' face. So until then, I'm gonna try to brave the dark and let my little light shine.
This little light of mine,